Here we go. All right, I'm going to talk pretty quietly, but let me know how the audio is. Let's do UK and France, turn 3. Okay, UK first. Tech rules. We're going to do radar, LRA. It's a big 10 and a big 11. Okay, we're starting to compete with the Axis. Let's see, purchases. So UK is going to do militia upgrade, factory, British infantry. That's going to be, oh, interesting. Doesn't work. All right, that should be 8, 11, 13. Save 1. Anzac infantry, save 0. British infantry, and it's actually going to be an infantry, so that's save 0. Buy right there. No combat, non-combat. We're going to transport this little militia, or not militia, mountain man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pop them here. We're going to move one of these seaplanes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's all good there. We're going to move coastal defense. It's going to stay there. Submarine's going to go 1, 2, 3. Chill out right there. He's going to link up with his buddy soon. Probably should tell you my strategy, but whatever. These ships are going to hang out here. This guy's going to hang out here. This guy's going to join him here. Chilling there. These guys are going to go 1, 2, 3. Yeah, they can all move there. These guys are going to go 1, 2, 3. Link up with these bad boys. This guy's going to move up 1. This guy's going to get railed. So far, so good. Let's go over to India. Place this guy here. Place that guy there. Place that guy there. We're going to rail this artillery to here. This is all good. This transport's going to go 1, 2, 3. Chill out in port. So for the British, you gotta keep an eye on these little buggers. Oh, by the way, I like this edition. Very smart. And I like this edition. So, Michael, I like the creativity. This is from, I think, other versions, but this makes a lot of sense. Because this map is pretty, but it doesn't have all the features of the other maps. And then we're going to collect 15 for the UK. Plus 1 is 16. Anzacs 3. FEC is 5. Place units. Militia upgrades going in Canada. Make that an infantry. Infantry's going in South Africa. Minor factory is going Lower Egypt. Make it maybe just a tad bit bigger so you can see it. Okay. Let's place the Anzac dude hanging out in Australia. And then India guys in India. UK is done. On to France. For France, let's do some tech. The most important thing for France. Strategic rockets. Let's go. Not today. France is going to start a fortification for 5. 1 militia. So they'll have 1 left over. Non-combat submarines. 1, 2, oops. 1, 2, 3. Transport's gonna pick up these 2 bad boys. 1, 2. Yeah. All undefended. Actually, I'm gonna put them 1, 2. I'm gonna put them all by themselves. Just all alone, undefended. Taking a look at Germany's offensive capabilities. They've been putting a lot into Spain. So the French have to punish them with a big defense. Let's put these 2 battleships here. Motorized. Foreign Legion. Oh, I thought there was a different color for these guys. Interesting. At least in the other version there is. 2 motorized. Artillery. Let's leave 1 guy behind. 3 guys here. Actually, I'm going to just use my 4 rail. Move these 3 guys to here. And then, yeah, put those guys there. Copy this so you guys know construction's happening in Paris. Ships. Transport. Chilling. Light cruiser. I want to put him on escort duty somewhere. But where do I put him on escort duty? 1, 2. Well, take a look. Put him out here. All right, France looks good. I don't see any French troops where they're not supposed to be. That's going to be it for France. I'm going to place 1 militia. We're going to collect 9 plus 1 left over. Total of 10. We're done. Let's keep it going.